Hi everybody, Stan Sallee here, Tulsa County Commissioner, District 1, and Superintendent of District 1, West Condreay here on North Yale Avenue between 106th Street North and 96th Street North on a project that we're overlaying, and we noticed a problem in a bridge structure that we had to address very quickly and get fixed before we overlay. Wes, why don't you give them a rundown?
During the reclamation process, we discovered that this WPA bridge structure had been extended with steel pipe, and that steel pipe had corroded, had rusted through and started to fail. Had to pause the project, bring our bridge crew in, have them tie into the existing structure and extend this box structure so we can finish the rest of the project.
When do you think we'll be able to start overlaying?
Should be finished overlaying next week.
Next week, and then we have another mile north or south of here between 86th Street and 96th Street that we've already reclamated that we're planning on probably overlaying that while we're doing this one as well.
Correct.
Great. So that's 2 miles of improvement, public safety investment in North Tulsa County.